In this video, I will show you how to make collections using the Pigmy mobile application. Let's begin. This is the screen you will see after logging in. To make collections, first, we need a customer. So, let's create a customer first. Click on the Customers button. Here, you will see the Add Customer option. Click on it. Now you will see the customer details screen. Here, you need to enter the customer information. In the personal information section, 3 fields are mandatory. First, enter the full name of the customer. For example, I will enter first customer. Next, enter the mobile number of the customer. If the customer's mobile number is already saved in your phone, you can click on the phone book icon. This will open your mobile contacts. Select the customer, and the name and mobile number will be filled automatically. For now, I will enter the details manually. Now click on Date of Birth. The calendar will open. You can click on the year to select the correct year. Use the arrow buttons to change the month. Select the date and then click OK. Next, select the gender of the customer, male or female. The address details and identity document sections are optional. You may enter them or skip them. For now, I will skip these sections. Now click on Save Customer. You will see a success message displaying the customer code, name, and mobile number. Click on Done. You have now successfully created the customer. Next, to collect Pigmy amount, we must create a Pigmy account for this customer. Click on the Pigmy button. Here, click on Create Pigmy account. Now enter the Pigmy account details. At the top, you will see Customer Selection. Click here to view the list of customers you created earlier. Select the customer for whom you want to create the Pigmy account. Since we created first customer, I will select that. Now, enter the daily collection amount. This is the amount the customer plans to pay daily. You can change this amount later during collection. For example, I will enter 1,000 rupees. In the terms section, enter the rate of interest offered to the customer. For example, I will enter 10%. Now enter the tenure in days, which is usually 1 year. You may change it if required. You will see the account open date. By default, today's date is selected. If needed, you can change it using the arrow icon. For now, I will keep it as it is. If you have multiple agent IDs, you can select the required agent here. Currently, I have only one agent ID, so I will select it. Now click on Create Pigmy account. The Pigmy account has been created successfully. You can see all the account details on the pop-up screen. Click on Done. So far, we have created the customer account and the Pigmy account. Now, we are ready to collect Pigmy. To make a collection, click on the Collections button. You can also use the Make Collection shortcut. Click on Make Collection. At the top, you will see multiple collection options. By default, Pigmy is selected. Since we are collecting Pigmy, we will keep it selected. In the Select Account section, you will see your customer list. Select the customer account you want to collect from. I will select First Customer. During Pigmy account creation, we entered 1,000 rupees as the daily amount. That amount is displayed here. You can change it if needed. For example, I will enter 100 rupees. Now, select the payment mode. Choose cash if the customer pays in cash. Choose UPI if the customer pays using apps like PhonePe or Google Pay. I will select UPI. If you select UPI, enter the UPI transaction ID. Next, select how you want to share the collection message with the customer. You can choose normal text message, WhatsApp, or print. I will select normal message. Now click on Submit Collection. You will see a confirmation screen. Verify all the details. If everything is correct, click on Confirm. The collection has been completed successfully. You will now see options to share the receipt with the customer. Select the preferred option to share the collection details. This is how you can make collections using the Pigmy mobile application. The app has many more features. Click the link in the description to learn more. If you face any issues, please mention them in the comment section. For contact details, check the description. Happy collecting. Thank you for watching.